Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your Gemini accounts. Let's get straight into the video. First is online withdrawal process. So you can use the online withdrawal process, and how you want to do that is by first accessing your Gemini account online. And then once you're signed in, you just want to click on withdraw or transfer to start the withdrawal process, and then just choose the withdrawal method. That could be bank transfer, or it could be wire transfer, or you could use cryptocurrency withdrawal. And once you've selected your withdrawal method, just enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you need to enter the recipient's information, such as their bank account number or cryptocurrency wallet address. And now you just got to review and confirm the withdrawal details. Now if you want to use the mobile app withdrawal method, so what you're going to do is to access the Gemini app on your mobile device and sign into your account, and then you want to tap withdraw to start the withdrawal process. Now just choose the withdrawal method that you want to make use of, and then you got to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Then enter the recipient's information, and of course review and confirm the withdrawal details. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to withdraw funds from your Gemini account. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.